Hello everyone and welcome for Mastering Shopify or Shopify 101. Today we are going to do your website registration with Shopify and we are going to do a dashboard overview. First, you will need to go to shopify.com over here, and after you log in to their main page, you will be able to see this landing page of Shopify. At the moment, Shopify offers you to start your business for only $1 a month for first 3 months. This offer really helps new stores because at the moment you will pay only $3 for 3 months and you will save around $97, which you can use to advertise your shop and to buy a domain. So basically, this, let's say, a sale from Shopify can help a lot for any new store. So to start our registration with Shopify, we will need to add our email. In my case, this will be our corporate email, which is office at albustudio.com. Also, if you have any questions, any problems, you can reach us at this email and we will try to help you with the situation you have. Okay, so let's start free trial. Over here, you can see that Shopify will automatically select our location. In our case, it's Bulgaria, but you can select your country. Almost every country here is present. Okay, so let's enter our email again. Okay. Hop. Continue. Okay, so now we will need to make our password. I will do a demo password over here. Please remember to make a strong password so that your website is not vulnerable to any hacker attacks. Let's create a Shopify account. Okay, you can see that our store is building right now at Shopify and our account is being set up. Also, I would recommend you to save your Shopify password in your browser. So now we are ready to build our website, and I hope you're as excited as me that we can now start our own website with Shopify. Also, you need to know that there is a free trial for 3 days. My trial will expire on February 14th, and after then, I'm going for €1 a month instead of $1, which basically is the same. Okay, so let's set up our store. What would you like to sell? This is the question you need to be ready to answer now. Because if you don't have a clear idea what you are going to sell, it will be really difficult to build a website and create a business from here. So at the moment, my suggestion for you will be one of those two. First, an online store, which will directly sell to your customers, or you want to create a platform from which you can sell at Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. I will be selecting online store. Let's click next. Now we are asked which of these best describes you. You are just starting or you are already selling online or in person. Okay, so we are asked which of these describe you best, which basically means have you already sold anything online, in person, or this is your first gig? So you could have, let's say, a shop and you want to go online. Then you will select that you are already selling in person. I will select I'm just starting so that we can start from ground up building our website. Okay, so this is really important part. What would you like to sell? Products that you make or buy from somebody else, dropshipping products, print on demand, digital products like music, digital NFTs, and other digital stuff, or you'll be selling services. Since I'm creating this website for our crypto trading series, I will be selecting services or digital products. What do you think? Digital products sales. All our services is digital now. Okay, get started. Okay, so now we are in our Shopify dashboard. Over here, we have a little to-do list on which we'll talk later. Okay, now about the navigation. Search bar. Over here, you can search your apps, customers, orders, products, and sales channel. On the right, you have all your store settings and other stores that you have. You have Help Center, Changelog, Community and Forums, hire. Oh, this one is important. You can hire a Shopify expert to do almost anything you like for you. Keyboard shortcuts, management of the account. Let's go here. Okay, here we have an option to verify our email. Let's see if we get a verification email. Yes, we have it. Let's confirm our email with Shopify. And you can see that our email is verified. Okay, so let's close this. Let's restart this page. Okay, you can see that we have successfully verified our email. So here we have some details about the person who is running the store, his phone number, name, and last name. Over here, you can connect external services, other stores, and here preferred language. Let's go and see what are the options. So you can select almost any European language, and there is this one, I think, is Thai, and here we have Chinese, Japanese, and Korean, from what I can see. Okay, so if you're not native English speaker, you should select the language that is most comfortable for you. This is my suggestion number one. I'm using English because English is like my second language, and for me it's easier to work with English. Okay, English. And here you can select your time zone. I'll be in Sofia. Okay, so this is for this section. Let me close this page and return to our dashboard. Over here at the left, you can see our home, orders. In this section, you'll be able to see all your orders that are arriving to your Shopify store, product management. In product management, you can manage collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfer, and gift cards. Your consumers dashboard. Over here, you will see the information about your consumers. Content. Okay, content is an important part. In content, you will be able to find all your media objects that you have uploaded to your Shopify store. Then we have analytics. In analytics, we'll be able to see all the traffic information that we are getting to our store. It is something like Google Analytics, but integrated in Shopify. There is a report. You can get reports, session by location, session by referral, and so on. We will deep in this later in our classes. Marketing. Okay, over here there is a new feature from Shopify that was introduced, if I'm not mistaken, in 2023 that allows you to do marketing campaigns inside your Shopify. We will see and learn how to create, manage discounts inside Shopify. And the best of the best is your online store. At the moment, we don't have any theme set up. We will be selecting the theme in our upcoming classes. You have over here your blog post if you're interested in running a blog inside your website. Usually it depends on the business you are doing. Some businesses will benefit from this, some businesses may not. Pages. Well, in pages section, you will have all your content or your pages, your term of use, terms of shipping, everything. Okay, navigation. Navigation is one of the important things. We will create the navigation that will be the optimal one for our consumers. We will do our main navigation, which is our header, and our footer menu with the most usable links for our customer. Over here, we have preferences. Preferences. On preferences, we are going to do a separate session. I will explain how to set up everything, how to do the best description for Google so that you are indexed. We will activate our Google Analytics, our Facebook pixel, and we will remove a password from our store. Okay, so also we have a point of sale. Point of sale, basically, if you have a local shop, you can use your Shopify inventory system and payment system using their gear inside your shop. We are not going to do this part since we are talking only about selling your products online. If you have a shop and you would like to know how to set up it, you can email us and we will help you we will give you the instructions to do it yourself. Okay, and the last one is apps. This is the section where you will add plugins and application for your Shopify store to make it the best version it could be. And the last but not least is our settings menu. We will be going this separately since there is a lot of settings over here. Okay, over here you can see that there is a lot of information that we will need to cover. We will do it in a separate lesson. Even before we activate our theme, we are going to do a lesson on settings so that when we are ready to go with theme installation, our website is set up 100%. So for this session, this will be all. In next session, we are going to cover settings. So stay tuned.